In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize sales pipeline in Monday.com. To get started, sign into your Monday.com account and open the workspace where you manage your sales activity. Visualizing your pipeline is useful because it gives you a clear picture of where every deal stands. It helps you spot slow-moving opportunities, monitor team progress, and get a better sense of potential revenue in real time. Once you're inside, go to your sales pipeline board. Before creating any visual views, make sure your board includes the essential columns needed for tracking deals properly. These typically include deal name, company, contact person, deal value, sales stage, owner, and expected close date. You may also have contact details like email or phone stored in the board, but for reporting and visualization, the most important fields are the ones tied to deal progress and value. Having these columns set up correctly ensures your visual dashboards are meaningful and easy to interpret. Next, click the plus icon to add a new view to the board. This is where Monday.com lets you display the same sales data in different formats, depending on what you want to focus on. From the available options, choose Kanban View. Kanban is one of the best ways to visualize a sales pipeline because it turns each deal into a card and organizes those cards by sales stage. That means you can instantly see how many deals are in discovery, proposal, negotiation, or closing. It's especially helpful for sales teams because it creates a drag-and-drop workflow that makes pipeline movement easy to follow at a glance. After that, click the plus icon again to add another view, this time for a chart view. A chart view helps you visualize your pipeline from a reporting perspective rather than a workflow perspective. Instead of showing deal cards, it summarizes your data in charts so you can compare volume, value, or distribution across stages. This is useful for identifying trends and understanding where your pipeline is strongest or weakest. Now click on Chart to open the chart view. Once you're there, click Add Widget. Widgets allow you to customize the kind of visual insight you want to display within the dashboard area. Then click Chart again to add a chart widget. This widget helps transform your board data into a more analytical visual, making it easier to review sales performance and pipeline distribution in a format that's ideal for meetings, reviews, or forecasting. Finally, rename your chart so it clearly reflects what it represents. A specific name makes it easier to recognize later, especially if you create multiple reports for your sales process. And that's how to visualize your sales pipeline in Monday.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.